Good day, grade 3. This is Teacher Raya and welcome to our Mathematics 3 class. Today we will learn adding numbers without and with regrouping. Can you say it with me? Adding numbers without and with regrouping. Now, are you ready to have fun with numbers? If yes, that's great. Let's warm up first our brain with some quick addition practice. So here, let's practice addition. Let's start with the easy ones. I'll flash the numbers and you will try to add them in your mind as fast as you can. Are you ready? That's great. Now let's begin. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Very good. Number 2, 5 plus 7 is equal to? Yes, that's right. 7 again. You're on a roll. Number 3, 7 plus 1 equals? Correct, 8. 6 plus 3 is equal to? Yes, that's 9. Number 5, 5 plus 5 equals? Awesome, that's 10. Last one, 6 plus 8 is equal to? Very good, the answer is 14. Good job, grade 3. You're fast and smart. You already know your basic addition facts. Now, let's see if you can add bigger numbers. Let's try to solve this math word problem. Yesterday, Leia went to the grocery store. She bought 23 apples and 15 oranges. Can you tell me how many fruit Leia bought in all? Let's try to solve it. So here we have 23 plus 15. What do you think is the answer? Very good. The answer is 38. Since our sum in the ones place is less than 10, we don't need to carry or regroup. That's what we call addition without regrouping. Can you say it with me? Addition without regrouping. Now, let's make it a little trickier. Let's have this one. What if Leia bought 27 apples and 38 oranges? Let's try to solve them. Can you tell me how many fruit Leia bought in all? 27 plus 38. What do you think is the answer? Very good. It is 65. Let's check. 7 plus 8 is 5. 7 plus 8 rather is 15. 15. That's more than 10, right? So we have to regroup. So we will bring down 5 and regroup 1 and place it in the tens column. So now in the tens place, we have 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. That's why we come up with the answer 65. Very good. And that's what we call adding numbers with regrouping. Nice. Now, let's see the steps in adding numbers without regrouping. Again, here are the steps in adding numbers without regrouping. First, we will have to line up the numbers according to its place value. Second, add each digit of the same place value starting from the least place value. And the last one, write the final sum. Let's have this example. 235 plus 131. Again, the first step is line up the numbers according to its place value. So as you can see, we already line up the numbers. In the ones place, we have 5 and 1. In the tens place, we have 3 and 3. And in the hundreds place, we have 2 and 1. Now, the second step is add each digit of the same place value starting from the least place value. So here, we will going to add first the ones place. So we have 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 2 plus 1 is 3. The third step is write the final sum. So here we have 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So the final sum or the final answer is 366. Now, let's try this word problem. A pirate ship had 235 cannonballs stored in the front deck and 162 more in the lower deck. How many cannonballs do they have in total? Let's add them carefully. 235 plus 162. We will going to add the ones place first. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Next, we will going to add the tens place. 6 plus 3 is, very good, that's 9. And the last one is 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, they have 397 cannonballs in total. Wow, that's a lot of cannonballs. Good job, Math Pirates! Now, let's proceed in adding numbers with regrouping. Here are the steps in adding numbers with regrouping. Line up the numbers according to its place value. Second, add each digit of the same place value starting from the least place value. And if the sum of the digit being added is 10 or more, write down the ones digit and regroup the tens digit to the next column. And lastly, write the final sum. Let's try to solve this example. We have 245 plus 367. So we already line up the numbers according to its place value. Second, add each digit of the same place value starting from the least place value. And if the sum of the digit being added is 10 or more, write down the ones digit and regroup the tens digit to the next column. So here we will going to add the ones place. So 7 plus 5 is, very good, 12. 12 is a two-digit number. That's more than 10, right? So we will going to add, or we will going to perform the regrouping. So we will bring down 2 and regroup 1. Where will we place the 1? Very good. It's in the tens place. So write down 2 and regroup 1. Now, in the tens place, we have 6 plus 4 plus 1. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So bring down 1 and regroup 1. So here we have 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So we have the final sum 612. And the last step is write the final sum. So here we already write the final sum, which is 612. Easy, right? Now let's have another word problem. While sailing, pirates spotted 478 dolphins in the morning and 327 more in the afternoon. How many dolphins did they see in all? Now, here we go. Let's try to solve the problem. 478 plus 327. Start with the ones place. So we will going to add the ones place. 8 plus 7 is 15. We write down 5 and regroup 1 and place it to the tens column. So here we have 2 plus 7 plus 1. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9 plus 1 is 10. So write down 0 and regroup 1. Now in the hundreds place we have 3 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 4 is, very good, 7 plus 1 is 8. So our final answer is 805. Let's read it together. 805. So therefore, they saw 805 dolphins in total. Good job, Math Pirates! That's how we add numbers with regrouping. Now, it's your turn to practice. In your math book, answer page 121 to 122. The mental math section. 1 to 10 items only. And that's all for today. Thank you, grade 3, for listening. So, see you next time for our math adventure. Goodbye, grade 3.